कैसे हैं आप? I'm back with two new products I want to test out. One is this BB cushion और ये कुछ इस तरह की है. See, इसके अंदर एक cushion है. See, ये एक cushion है. One, I want to test it out this cushion BB cream. I am truly not a fan of foundations because I have टू मच ऑयली स्किन और फाउंडेशंस जो है वो मेरी स्किन पे मर्ज हो ही नहीं पाती. या फिर मैं अनटिल अनलेस कुछ बहुत सारी महंगी सारी खरीदूँ जो मार्केट में लोकली अवेलेबल है. डोंट डू एनीथिंग. नेक्स्ट आई वांट टू टेस्ट आउट दिस APK कॉम्पैक्ट जो ऑयल कंट्रोल है. बेसिकली एक्चुअली आई एम गोइंग समवेयर, तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन माई आई मेकअप एंड बाय द वे, डू यू लाइक माई आई मेकअप? अच्छा, I don't do anything dramatic, so I thought there is no use of sharing anything. So I have already done my eye makeup. Products I want to test out today. We are just gonna concentrate on these two. Let's get started. Okay, BB cushion में और arm cushion में क्या फ़र्क है? It comes with a sponge और I'm not gonna lie, I have tested before और लेकिन मैं इससे पहले लगा के बाहर नहीं गई. So I thought, why not? I will share my experience with you guys. Okay, this is the third color. This is the third color I ordered from Elo, the export leftover website. और ये सबसे dark color था. और genuine, I have to say, ये भी मेरी skin tone से light. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit greasy and shiny. For that, comes oil control APK SPF 25 cushion compact. So this is also the darkest color that was available. Or I'm gonna pat my face. Oh my god, कैसे एकदम से सारा ऑयल और चमक गायब हो गई. Okay, I'm already loving it. I am definitely loving it. I wanted to do a burgundy color because I'm wearing burgundy. So I love these kinds of purple shades, deeper dark shades. Okay. Where I'm seeing it, it's not bad. It's definitely not bad, and it feels quite light on my skin. But थोड़ा चिट्टा ज़्यादा हो गया. I think वो BB cream की वजह से हो गया. Never mind, we are gonna bronze it down, or for that I'm gonna use this bronzer. ये मियाओ का bronzer है और इससे पहले मैं हल्का सा contour भी करती हूँ. I don't really contour my forehead because I don't have that much wide forehead, so I don't concentrate on that. Next is my lovely blush, and this is from Cool Beauty. और I love this soft pinky bit peachy blush on है. कम highlighter, और highlighter के लिए मैं fan brush यूज़ कर रही हूँ और I just love this color. See guys, see the shine? Oh god, I love this. And this is not even so expensive. If you have too much acne on your skin, if you have too much uneven skin, because highlighter is gonna more highlight that area, so you might don't want to do that. I'm not gonna put on my chin because this is the least favorite part of my face. Next, I am gonna use this 24-hour lipstick, liquid lipstick. तो ये already matte है, तो I'm gonna apply it. First, I'm gonna apply this makeup spray. ये Kiss Beauty का है और I'm already using it. I'm halfway done और it's just amazing. It is amazing, definitely guys. Okay guys, for lips I'm gonna use this pencil. This is Davis lip pencil और ये मार्केट में बहुत लोकली अवेलेबल है. I think 20 रुपीस की मिल जाती है. So I am lightly gonna outline my lips and ready for some bold color. This lipstick is matte, so इसकी बैक पर मेरे पास एक bullet lipstick भी है, which is DIY. I have made it two-tone. Or if you want to learn how to make two-tone lipstick, then I have a video on it. You can definitely check it out. I will link that video on my description box. So that's it for today. I am gonna update you guys for the rest of my day that if this APK is really oil control and this BB cushion foundation does really work or not. This is from Rorac and I have bought few more products from this company. वो तो बहुत अच्छे काम करते हैं. And let's see this work or not. Friends, I just wanna update my status on APK as I think it's fine. I think it's okay. Okay guys, I just want to complete my video और मैं अपना पूरा setup भी नहीं कर सकी because I'm in a hurry. So it's been 6 hours मुझे ये cushion BB cream लगाते हुए और this APK compact is definitely doing its job. So compact बहुत अच्छा है. BB cream it's I think it's not working that well. और मेरे आई शेड्स बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. लिपस्टिक मेरी सारी ख़त्म हो चुकी है क्योंकि मैंने खाना भी खाया था. सो दैट्स अ रैप एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.